Welcome to the installation guide on how to replace the front air struts of a Mercedes-Benz E-Class Wagon, S211, with ADS and 4Matic, with Arnott remanufactured front air struts. Stay tuned to learn more. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Also remove the airline. Next, disconnect the electrical connection and remove the 3 top mounting nuts from the strut. Now remove the wires from the wire clip on the sway bar end link. Follow the wiring from the shock and disconnect at the junction. The next step is to remove the brake line isolator and loosen and remove the bottom mount bolt. Now remove the control arm nut and the axle bolt. Also remove the axle and the strut from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Then start the installation by installing the new strut into the vehicle. Also reinstall the axle. Now reattach the control arm to the spindle assembly and reinstall the upper sway bar end link to the spindle. Next, reinstall the axle bolt as well as the bottom mount bolt. Plug in the electrical connector and reattach the wires to the wire clip in the sway bar end link. Now reinstall the brake line isolator and install the 3 top mounting nuts to the top of the strut. Plug in the electrical connector and remove the white shipping pin. Install the airline by removing and disposing of the shipping pin. Insert the airline into the fitting and press until firmly seated. With the airline inserted, pull the airline outward to lock, ensuring a secure connection. Now reinstall the wheel and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Mercedes-Benz air struts with Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.